Mine and Ashley's birthday
Wait, I have one.
Oh, that was Ashley's. Oh, that was bad. Hold on, I gotta set that over.
That was horrible.
Ew, it smells. That one did not smell. Oh, that was bad. That was pretty good. I taste the candy. Oh, I thought I had more. Oh, that felt so weird. It's like 3. I just like forced it out.
I want to play Xbox Live now.
No, we're eating chips and having fun.